Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to upload Canva hair templates from my Prebuilt Shopify website from Canva to Shopify. So if you're interested in this website, it will be linked down below. You can start your own hair business without any inventory. I will sync a vendor for you. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. So starting off, I'm going to start with the logo. Made this on Canva. I'm going to download as transparent. We're going to hop back to Shopify and we're going to go to online store, customize, and I'm going to upload the logo. And of course, always have to put something at the top of the announcement bar. So this is a new pre-built hair store that I did make myself. It is like a pink luxury theme. So if you're looking to start your own hair business without any inventory, I don't just make the pre-built hair website for you. We will sync a dropshipping vendor. So that way you can start without spending thousands on inventory. The vendor will hold the inventory for you. So once you get a sale, you'll then place that order on your vendor site and your vendor will ship that item, wig, bundle, whatever, directly to your customer. So now I'm going to start uploading the banners to the website one by one. I feel like the hardest part about starting a hair business will probably be making the website and marketing. So we do half of the hard part for you, which is designing the website, syncing the vendor. The website does come with 15 products already synced, a mix of wigs and bundles, tape-in extensions now, just started adding that. So even though it's only 15 items sync, it is about I would say over 10,000 items actually on your website in stock, just because you're not holding the inventory, the vendor is. So that's pretty cool. So that way we make the pre-built hair store for you. So that way you can just focus on what really matters, like marketing and making your marketing strategy to bring in those sales. And a lot of times the websites are unbranded, but we make pre-built Shopify hair stores that are branded, like using the same text, colors, fonts, so that way it's very cohesive. Because obviously you don't want your store to look like to pretty much to look like it's dropshipping. You want it to look, real put together. So yeah, I will link our pre-built hair stores in the description. Turnaround time to receive your stores about 5 to 7 business days. You get to choose your domain name. You get to choose what type of hair store you will want, like which template. We definitely have options. So now I'm also going to upload the collection photos from Canva, which I made. I'm going to upload those one by one now. And I know a lot of times you guys will ask me, does the vendor have branding? And they don't. Usually if you want to do dropshipping and branding dropshipping, you can try Alibaba or you can try private label extensions. I made a video about them recently. But pretty much if you want to brand and drop ship. Pretty much you will, once you get an order on your website, you will ship that, once you get an order on your website, you will place that order with your vendor, but instead of shipping it to your customer, you can ship it to yourself and then have your own branding on hand. So that way you can brand the items, your hair items, and then ship it directly to your customer. So that way it's branded. And AliExpress shipping doesn't take a while. They do have USA vendors. Usually takes about 3 to 5 business days, sometimes less. So overall, you can brand with dropshipping. Always want to order samples to take content, you know what I'm saying? We do send out free samples as well included. That's another customization option you have that you can choose. So yeah, I will link all the information down below if you're ready to start your own hair business. I usually do like to change the text as well of the website, just to make it a little different. But this is the finished website. It is very cute. I love the pink. The pink and black is just so cute. But I will leave this website down below. It is for sale. Whether you want to start your own hair store or not, it is a template as well. So see you guys in the next video. Bye.